For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an advertising business today can be a highly profitable venture, especially when you leverage the power of artificial intelligence, AI. AI tools can help streamline your workflow, cut costs, deliver better results to clients, and position your agency as a forward-thinking operation. Below is a step-by-step guide to launching your advertising business with the help of AI, covering planning, branding, client acquisition, and service delivery. Step 1. Define your niche and services. Before jumping in, you need clarity on what kind of advertising services you'll offer. Examples of services you can offer: social media advertising, Google Ads Management, influencer marketing, video ads creation, copywriting and ad scripting, branding and creative services. Choose a niche based on your experience or interest, market demand, competition level, AI tools to help. ChatGPT, OpenAI, for brainstorming niche ideas and testing value propositions. Google Trends, for validating demand. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Act as a startup strategist. Help me brainstorm 5 profitable advertising niches with low competition and high demand in 2025. Include reasons why each niche is a smart opportunity. Step 2. Create a business plan. A business plan outlines your goals, target clients, pricing, costs, and strategies. This is essential to stay focused and also useful if you seek funding. AI tools to help. ChatGPT, for drafting your business plan. Notion AI, for structuring and formatting documents. Prompt example. Write a simple business plan for a digital advertising agency focused on small e-commerce businesses. Include target market, services offered, pricing model, marketing strategies, and growth projections. Step 3. Name and register your business. Pick a unique, memorable name. Make sure the domain and social media handles are available. AI tools to help. Namelix, for AI-generated business name ideas. GoDaddy or Namecheap, for checking domain availability. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Suggest 10 creative and brandable names for a digital advertising agency focused on video ads and social media content. The name should be short and have available .com domains. Once you've chosen a name, register the business in your state and get a business bank account. Step 4. Build a professional online presence. A modern advertising agency needs a sleek, high-converting website. AI tools to help. Durable.co, AI website builder for agencies. Wix ADI, AI-powered web design. Copy.ai or Jasper to generate web copy. Prompt example for Jasper or ChatGPT. Write homepage copy for an AI-powered ad agency, helping real estate agents generate leads through Facebook and Google Ads. Tone, professional but friendly. Create social media accounts for the business on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Step 5. Build a portfolio even without clients. If you're just starting out, you need a portfolio to show prospective clients. Ideas. Run mock ad campaigns for fake brands. Do free work for friends or small businesses. Create case study style posts based on AI-generated data. AI tools to help. Canva, for visuals and mock-ups. Pictory, for AI-generated video ads. ChatGPT, for writing compelling ad copy and case studies. Prompt example. Write ad copy for a fictional vegan protein powder product targeting health-conscious millennials. Include a Facebook ad headline, body, and call to action. Step 6. Create your marketing and sales strategy. You need a system to attract and convert leads into paying clients. AI tools to help. ChatGPT, for writing email scripts, cold DMs, and outreach strategies. Apollo.io, for AI-assisted prospecting. Instantly.ai, for automating cold email campaigns. Surfer SEO, for content marketing and blog writing. Prompt example. Write a cold email pitch offering paid social media advertising services to local fitness centers. Keep it under 150 words and include a clear CTA. Also create a lead magnet, such as a free ad audit or a PDF guide to Facebook ads for your niche. Step 7. Price your services. You can charge clients per project, hourly, or on a monthly retainer. Average pricing models: $500 to $1,500 for single ad campaign setup, $1,000 to $3,000 per month for ongoing management, $50 to $150 per hour for consultations. AI tools to help: ChatGPT for calculating price models and comparing industry benchmarks, Bonsai or Hello Bonsai, AI-based proposal and invoicing tools. Prompt example: create a tiered pricing structure for a digital advertising agency offering Facebook and Instagram ad services. Include 3 packages with features and price points. Step 8. Use AI to deliver advertising services. Once you get clients, AI can help you deliver high-quality ad campaigns faster and cheaper. AI tools for service delivery: AdCreative.ai creates ad designs, headlines, and CTAs. Copy.ai generates ad copy. Puretis.ai for social media post automation. Jasper for longer ad copy and brand voice adaptation. Lumen 5 turns blog content into video ads. ChatGPT for A/B testing strategies and ad performance reviews. Prompt example: suggest 5 variations of a Google ad for a dog grooming service in Miami. Include headline, description, and CTA. Step 9. Optimize campaigns using AI analytics. Monitoring and improving campaigns is essential. AI tools to help: Magix, AI ad optimization for Facebook and Google. AdZuma automates ad performance analysis. Google Ads AI, built-in tools for smart campaigns and targeting. Use AI to analyze which creatives perform best. Suggest better budget allocations. Forecast results. Identify target audience behavior. Prompt example: ChatGPT. My Facebook ad campaign has a high CTR but low conversions. What optimization should I try? Audience: women 25 to 35, fitness niche. Final thoughts: AI empowers you to start an advertising business with fewer resources, lower costs, and greater efficiency. From business planning to execution and optimization, AI is a tool that helps you punch above your weight, even as a solo founder. The key is knowing what tools to use and how to use them to serve clients better and grow your business sustainably. Keep experimenting, optimizing, and learning new AI capabilities as the landscape evolves. With the right mindset and tools, success is not just possible, it's scalable. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.